Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, ready 17 left, 4 seconds.
Bravo Sierra Victor, line up.
Lining up, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, straighten her up. Get off the brakes, full power. Airspeed's alive. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. I have revs, 50, 60. 10 degrees nose up. At 80 knots, 10 degrees nose up. 500 feet, come around. 15 degree turn. Degrees on the nose. That's 90 degrees.
Hotel, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, left clear touch.
900. 1,000. Over the nose. Speed comes up. Now back. 22 and turn. Bravo Sierra Victor, turning down, wind touch and go.
Bravo Sierra Victor, number 1.
Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, it's coming around. There's my runway. Back. 1600. Okay, 1 stage. 2 stages. It's gone past 900, 80 knots.
Left clear hotel, turning downwind, touch and go.
Left Hotel, follow Cessna on base.
Left clear hotel.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Bravo Sierra Victor. 1500, 80 knots. Around 600 feet. Late. 80 knots. Feet. 25. Knots on the nose. 65. 65.
Grabbing ground, g'day, Tango with uniform, IFR Chieftain, taxiing from the western apron with Sierra, 1 POB, request taxi 17 left for Devonport.
You're on the tower frequency.
Apologies.
Okay, flaps up, full power. 55. And up she goes. 700 feet. And turn. 25 knots. 200 feet.
Bravo Sierra Victor, follow Cessna upwind, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Bravo Sierra Victor. And it's 80 knots, power back up. Final stage. Knots. 200 feet, 65. Feet, 65. Over the threshold. Power off. Flaps up, full power. 900. Over the nose. It comes up, power back. And turn. Bravo Sierra Victor turning down, wind touch and go.
Bravo Sierra Victor, follow Cessna turning base.
Traffic sighted, Bravo Sierra Victor. I'll be departing overhead for the city after this touch and go. 160 feet. 65. The piano keys. Now, power off. Up. Power up. 2 knots, up we go. Degrees nose up. 100% on instruments.
Limerick Tray Hotel, clear to land.
Clear to land, Limerick Tray Hotel. Echo Kilo, turning down, wind touch and go.
Echoes Kilo, follow Cherokee on final.
400.